So this is how it all started. Downstairs toilet, water closet, just a cold brick building. I need to insulate it, update it, renovate it, make it look good. So I started off putting battens on the wall and then decided to use foil bubble wrap or bubble foil insulation on the floors as well and on the walls. So there's an air gap as well. I will do the ceiling as well. $18mm plywood on the floor, raised up. And then batten again, and then the drywall. Changed out the light bulb for LED light. New door frame. There's the drywall and the bubble foil insulation behind it. Plasterboard is up. Just doing the mudding. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the final result.